In this video, I'm going to describe the procedure for three-wire RTD connection with a temperature transmitter. The transmitters will accept a variety of RTD configurations, including 2, 3, or 4-wire. If you have not already done so, you should review two of our other videos: a temperature transmitter explained and how to correctly wire a heart device on the bench. You can find the links to these videos in the description. The three-wire RTD configuration is the most commonly used RTD circuit. It has a redundant lead wire that is used to measure. The sensor wiring diagram is typically located on the device. In this temperature transmitter, terminals 1, 2, 3, and 4 are designated for sensor inputs. The three-wire RTD consists of one white and two red wires. One of the red wires will be connected to terminal number 2, and another will be connected to terminal number 3. Additionally, a white wire will be connected to terminal number 1. Connect the positive power lead to the plus terminal. Connect the negative power lead to the minus terminal. The power required across the transmitter power terminals is 12 to 42.4 volts DC. To prevent damaging the transmitter, do not allow terminal voltage to drop below 12 volts DC when changing the configuration parameters. You can measure milliamperes by connecting a multimeter in series. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification.